I had been undergoing physical therapy and pain management for about 3 years, and it just kept getting worse and worse and worse to where I was dragging that leg. The other place that I was going to kept saying that I wasn't a candidate for a knee replacement. They never did tell me why till right before I left. Dr. Barber didn't have an issue with that at all. My son told me about Dr. Barber, and because my son works over there, and so I checked him out, and that's where I am right now. I think maybe they were more of a, in my opinion, more of a numbers thing, and Dr. Barber's more of the person thing. You know, he wants you to do well. I felt relieved. Just the first visit, I knew that he was going to take care of it, and he did. And I don't regret it one bit. In fact, I'd do it over tomorrow. He put his arm around me and said everything was going to be well, and that's what I needed, you know, at that time. Didn't need to hear anything else but that. And he did. Well, he explained, you know, that the therapy that would be involved, and that it would be, you know, probably for about 6 months, and that it would probably be painful at times, and it was, but after about 2 weeks, it wasn't. 3 weeks maybe max. And he stressed the importance of following through at home with what you learn at therapy, and I try to do that too. Normally, when I would get up out of bed before surgery, I would have to stand there, you know, before the knee would even allow me to move. So now I get up out of bed just like I did when I was 20 years old, you know, so that's been wonderful. I've gone to so many doctors, it's hard to say that all of them care, but Dr. Barber cares. And I could pick up on that real quick, and just a true gentleman too.